Hey, what is up guys, my Jigga back with another video. And today we're doing an unboxing video on a razer, whatever it's called, taipan. Yeah, okay, here it is. Razer taipan. Okay, so let's unbox it. Back in the closure door. And you see these things on my lips, just there's some things that happen sometimes on my lips, I don't know why. It goes away. It looks like a scratch. I don't really don't care. So I just already cut it right here, cutted it, so yeah. Open it up, open your beautiful food thing up. Ta-da! Where is it? Oh! Oh yeah. Ah, here it is. Here's the beauty. Okay, let's leave the box right here. Okay, so opening. No. Here's the actual mouse itself. I'll actually put the wires through it and everything. I love how it has like this fabric thing in the jiggy on it. It's like so like that. It's a really good mouse. See that, baby? Nice. Let me actually see how it feels. Perfect. Beautiful. Excellent. Perfect. I should just say perfect. Okay, so I'm just checking this out. God. Hey guys, want to see something cool? I got a fishy. No. Okay, wait. And here's some stuff. This here, put you. Okay. Let's see what this is. So here we got some stickers for gaming by gamers. I'll show you the stickers. My masterpiece. Perfect. Okay. So here's some manuals. Oh god. Yeah, guys, look at this. Okay, so when I was at the place, I saw like this right here. I don't know what that is, that product right there. But it's so beast right there. And I don't understand. It was like so wrapped up. So yeah. Stuff keeps falling. I don't understand that. I really don't know what that is. So yeah. Let's take this out. This thing for. So yeah. What's this? Here's a picture of it. You guys are gonna see it when it's on. There you go. That's it. Nope, right there. I'm gonna actually open it up right now. Take 2 seconds. Okay. Who shows it where to put them at? Yeah. Okay, guys, let me just hook this up right now. Hey, that's better than faster. So, I haven't been uploading because mouse told you. I'm actually gonna upload a video soon. Destroying my old bad mouse. Now I'll show you my soon. I'm gonna maybe in I think it's a week and a couple of days. I'm gonna do my setup, game setup review. But it's gonna be awesome, guys. You guys better subscribe to me because you guys are awesome. So yeah. Right here, perfect. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. Alright. We'll do a position. Take you off. Oh no, I don't take you out. Well, I want to take you out because I don't need this dumb mouse plugging in. This beast I'm plugging in. Okay. So I can show you how to recording from my computer. And it's in. Perfect. Let's test this bad boy out. Whoa. So fast. Let's turn down some stuff right now. Let me just turn down the... God, it's so fast. so smooth. Okay. Yes. So yeah, that was the review on this beast. It's lit up right now. It's on. Beast then. She's the actual razer and Nanga, something like that. Beast keyboard and here's actually a headset that I'm supposedly not using right now. Right here, Razer Kraken Pro. Kraken. I'm like Razer. Cool. So yeah, guys. We wanna eat? Yeah, I'll eat after I'm done. Say hi to YouTube. Hi, yeah, say hi. Now you're dead. Okay, guys, peace out. Now you'll get more views because I made a funny face. Okay, guys, peace out. Comment, like, subscribe. Shut up. Comment, like. Comment, like. Be right back. Shut up. Okay, you guys, comment, like. I'm gonna beat you. Wait, go. Okay, guys. Bye. Comment, like, and subscribe. Peace out, guys.